Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you one of my projects in which I integrated Google Sheets with Zoho. There are different ways in which you can integrate both these applications, but there may be limitations in those solutions. So if that's the case which you are facing, or if that's the limitation which you are facing, then you can try out this solution. And I hope this would work perfectly for you. And especially if you are in China or you have a team in China, then this would be one of the best solution for you, because Google Sheet doesn't work in China, and you can use this solution to export your data to Zoho Sheet China so that they can use the data. So coming into the Google Sheet, this is the data which I will be exporting to the Zoho. So for that, I will click on GSheets.com, and then I will be clicking on click on post to Zoho, and within few seconds the data will be moved in the Zoho. As can be seen on the screen, the data has been moved. So now I will be showing you the uh, the the magic behind the scene, which is actually doing all the work. So in the Google Sheet, I am using app script, where I have written a script in order to send the data to Zoho. So this is the script which is doing the magic in the Google Sheet, and this is the URL which is sending the request to Zoho. And you will have to replace this URL, which I will be showing how you will be getting in the Zoho. So now coming to the Zoho, you will have to go to flow.zoho.com, and actually we are using this Zoho application in order to integrate both these applications. So you will be using the webhooks in your flows, and I will be clicking on edit, and here in payload you will be using the JSON, and this is the URL which you will copy, and you will simply paste it here in your Google Sheets, or sorry, in your Google Apps Script, and then you will simply save it. And for the first time, you will also have to test the webhook so that your application get the structure of your request, so that you can use that request in your next step, which is actually a custom function. So after the webhook, we are using the custom functions in order to send the data to the Zoho. So I will click on edit, and this is the function which is actually doing the actual magic, and which is sending the data. And in this script, you will simply have to replace two things. First, you will have to change your Zoho sheet ID, which you can get from here in the URL. And secondly, you will need to change the Zoho sheet name, which is here, which is actually the tab name. And after changing that, you will simply save it, and then you will activate your flow, and that's it. You will just go to your Google Sheet, click on GSheets.com, post to Zoho, and the data will be moved into your sheet. The most important thing is that you will have to keep the same name which you are using in the Google Sheets. Otherwise, the script will not work. So this is how you can export the data from Google Sheet to Zoho. And if you want to export the data from Zoho to Google Sheets, then that's quite simple. I will be sending this data to the Google Sheet. So I will come here in the import. I will come here, and here, as you can see on the top, I am actually using a URL to import the data. So for that, you will have to go to share, you will have to go publish, and then printable version here, and you will simply copy this out. For the first time, you will have to publish this Zoho sheet, and once you will publish, you will get this URL. You simply have to replace it in this URL, and the data will be imported within the Google Sheets. So I hope you must have enjoyed watching this video. If you have any query, then feel free to get back to me on my YouTube channel or on my Facebook page. Thank you. Bye bye.